Hi and back everyone to Hand Skill. In today's video, I'm going to make two easy and attractive suncatcher wind chimes. Hope these wind chimes will bring you joy and good luck to your home. Both suncatcher is made from recycled plastic that should have ended up in trash, but has become a beautiful piece of art. The first one is sunflower wind chime. It is made from waste plastic container lid. Just take only the lid and cut the edges. Now on paper, trace the lid and draw any simple and easy sunflower design. Now use this as template, place the plastic lid over it and using glass outliner trace the sunflower. For coloring part in both wind chimes, only glass outliner and glass paints are used. Next, using golden yellow color glass paint, fill the sunflower and let it dry completely. And for middle part, just apply golden acrylic paint. And next, if you wish, you can add leaves to your sunflower. Just draw leaves using outliner and fill it with green color glass paint. I am using this ready-made glass paint only for beginners. If you wish, you can also check out video of how to make glass paint at home in our channel. Next, draw teardrop shape in two sizes and trace it on the plastic lid using 3D outliner. We need 4 pieces in small size and 1 piece in big size. After it completely dried, cut down the sunflower and teardrop shape carefully. Using thread and needle, tie each teardrop shape in the sunflower in different length and also tie a piece of thread to the top of the sunflower for hanging. That's it, our sunflower sun catcher wind chime is ready. Next is rainbow colored wind chime. For this, draw a leaf design on your paper and using this as template, trace as many leaves you want with 3D outliner. But in this craft, I am tracing 10 leaves only. Then using different glass colors, fill the leaves evenly and let it dry completely. After the paint dried completely, cut down the leaves carefully. To hang these leaves, I am using waste plastic cut container. Using a thread and needle, start tying the leaf at one end of the thread and other end to the container. The first line was 10 cm. Then continue tying each leaf 5 cm longer than previous one. Totally there is 10 leaves and tie them around the container with even spacing. Then tie a small piece of thread in the middle part of the container to hang it on wall. Hope this DIYs will be useful for you. If you like this channel, do consider subscribing and thanks for watching.